Hello and welcome on Salna Guide. My name is Nick. Today I'm gonna show you how you can install Xampp in your Windows 10 computer. So let's start it. First of all, we just need to do one thing. We just have to visit google.com and in the search box we just have to type there www.apachefriend.org. As you can see right now, I'm on the website, on the same website, and here is an options for download. You just need to click on download here, and you will have options here for downloading Xampp for Windows, and the second option is for Xampp for Linux. So if you're using Windows, then we will go with this Xampp for Windows. If you are using Xampp, or if you're using Linux window, then we have to download this one, Xampp for Linux. So in my case, I'm using Windows 10, so uh, we're going to use I'm going to download Xampp for Windows 8, 7, or whatever you're using right now. In my case, I'm using Windows 10. So before we download this application Xampp in our computer, we must need to know the requirement. Okay, as you can see here, download 64-bit and 64-bit. So before you need to check the computer, you just have to look at your computer properties so that you can know what is your computer configuration, right? So let me show you what configurations I'm using right now. So here is the properties. Okay, so as you can see here, I am using Windows 10. Okay, and system type, I'm using 64-bit operating system, right? So if you are using 32-bit, or so you need to go for the so right, in my case I'm using 64 operating system here. So I will download it. Okay, so I will download the latest version. That this is 7.3.3, 7.3. This is a latest version. So just click on download, and once you click here, you will be able to download this. Okay, so friends, I already download this in my computer, so let me open it for you. So as you can see, it's been downloaded in my computer already. Okay, and this is it. Once you download it, just open up the application here. Let me show you where I download it. So this is where I download this application. Here it is, Xampp. Just right click on it and click on run as administrator. Once you click on it, you will be having this kind of a window here. Okay, now what do you need to do? Just hit next. Okay, and it's just and don't touch all the things, just make all the things as default. Whatever you can see here, do not check all these, don't check or uncheck whatever options you see right now. Just only hit next, make it default. Whatever options you have, click on next, and next, and next, and next. So as you can see now, the operating system is being installing in my computer, so it will take some time. So before if you are going to learn PHP, right, so we require Xampp, right? So before you start working on PHP, you just require this Xampp, or whether you can use some other server like Xampp, or there are many others, but I will go with Xampp. So it is right now installing, so we need to wait. So as you can see, Xampp is it is right now installing in my computer, and it contains PHP in MySQL. So if you're going to design e-commerce website like Amazon or like Amazon or Flipkart, Snapdeal, these are the e-commerce websites, and you can design all these kind of e-commerce website with this, right? So this is just introductions how you can start working with the PHP, right? If you are going to if you're beginner and you want to learn PHP, so first you need to install these two applications. You will require a local host, or it's also called a server, or second you required editor. So like NetBeans, or there's lots of editors like Notepad plus plus. So I recommend a Notepad plus plus because it's a basic, because you have to put all the codes you by yourself on the Notepad plus plus. So it is quite uh, good as for other, because you have to put all the codes in by yourself only. So this way you can, learn PHP very um, fast, and as well as you will remember all the syntax and comment or whatever code will require. You will be remembering all the things, all the codes for your program. So it is right now installing, so we need to wait. It will take some time. So as you can see, the installations now going to complete. It's going to install, and it's almost done. So just to wait a minute and let me uh, let it complete it. So first we have installed Xampp on Windows 10. Okay, it's right now I'm using Windows 10, and I am installing Xampp on Windows 10. So it is going to install, and it's almost finished installing. So as you can see, the downloading has been finished now. So let me click on finish options, and wait a moment, wait for the next step what we got. So first of all we have to select the language. So I'll select United States language English. So I just check this box and hit save. So the Xampp has been installed in my Windows 10 computer, and as you can see the configuration here, Xampp We have here Apache, Mysql, FileZilla, Mercury, and Tomcat. So it's very easy to start. If you wanna, let me configure this first of all. So we'll require Notepad. Okay, and these are the modules we have. We just have to make all these things same as default it is, and just hit save. Now we're gonna start Apache. So just check this box, or sorry, just click on start, and you'll be able to start Apache server. And same as with the start your MySQL database in FileZilla, and make sure that allow access all the networks and firewall. It is very necessary uh, when it comes to use server, Xampp server. Okay. So you can start all these modules as per your requirement. If you require Apache Xampp server, so you can just start it, and you can just click on stop and start. Whenever you want to stop it, you can just stop and start. So this was installations of the Xampp server, and it is used for if you're going to learn PHP. So it's a basically it's make your computer, because whenever you're design you require a server, right? If you're going to design a website, or if you're going to design any e-commerce websites, so you require a server, right? So where you can there's lots of server, but in the beginning, if you need a local server, so this work for you as a local server. Uh, it will change your computer environment, and it will change it on a server, so you can use your own computer as a server while using this applications, that is Xampp. So it is very easy to configure and install. Hope you guys understand how you guys can install these applications in a computer. And if you have any questions regarding this, please make a comment below, and definitely I'll be get back to you whatever query you have, how you can install. And if you will have any questions regarding this, please put the comment below, so that I can go through with your comment. And I request you please subscribe my channel, that is Salna Guide. And thank you. And this is just introductions how you can install PHP, and the next videos will be how we can make a program, how what else we required to install to work on a PHP. So thank you guys for watching the videos. Have a great day, and I request you please subscribe my channel. Thank you.